In today's video, I will teach you how to create an exploding planet effect in GIMP. Let's get started. Start by opening GIMP, then go to File, then New, or simply press Ctrl-N, then set the dimensions to 700 by 700 pixels. Then set the background color to black. Now download your preferred crack soil texture. Then open the crack soil texture in GIMP. You can do this by going to File, then Add Images Layer. Then select your crack soil texture. And to resize the texture, go to Layer, then Scale Layer, and set the dimensions to 700 by 700 pixels. And to align the texture, select the Alignment tool from the toolbox and click on the texture layer. In the layer options, set relative to image, and click the icons to align layer horizontally and vertically to the center. Now we're going to map the texture onto a sphere. To do this, simply go to Filters, Map, then Map Object. In the dialog, set the shape to Sphere. In the Light tab, select No Light. Then click OK to apply. Then go to Colors, then Invert. This will change the sphere's colors to a blue and white pattern. Now go to Filters, Distort, then Polar Coordinates. Then check the box for it to polar. Then click OK. Then go to Image, then Transform, then select Rotate to 90 degrees. Now we're going to add exploding rays. To do this, go to Filters, Distort, then Wind. Then click OK. Then press Ctrl-F to apply the wind filter again. Now go to Image, Transform, then Rotate to 90 degrees. Then go back to Filters, Distort, then Polar Coordinates, then check the box for to polar. Then click OK. Now select the Ellipse Select tool, then draw a selection around the planet to fully include it. Now go to Select, then Invert, then press the Delete key to remove the white edges. Then go to Select, then None to deselect. Choose the Gradient tool. Then select the gradient that fits the desired effect, for example, a fiery or space-themed gradient. Then go to Colors, Map, then Gradient Map. Then right-click on the planet layer in the Layers dialog and select Duplicate Layer. Now navigate to Filters, Blur, then Gaussian Blur, and set the blur radius to 11 pixels. Then set the duplicate layer's opacity to 65. Then change the layer mode to screen or color for enhanced color intensity and smoother transitions. And there you have it. You've created an exploding planet effect in GIMP. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.